Climbing the corporate ladder as a woman takes commitment.
Kroger has such a great way of creating space for really smart people to do really cool things.
It's such an incredible company that offers so much opportunity no matter how you come. And the diversity and the inclusion makes me proud every single day.
True leadership is not about being the best, it's about making those around you and their experiences better.
I think about that, and I think about the support that we all need along the way, understanding that my network, my tribe has been amazing, and I stand on their shoulders every single day.
Find your squad, right? Find your people that help you see you in a different way, that are the ones that really know you.
My advice to any woman who's beginning her career is number one, stay true to yourself. Be confident, be who you are.
I think it's so important for us to know that you can reach for different goals and strive for many different things in your career.
Sometimes we're only limited by what we can imagine and think about for ourselves. So when you think about little girls growing up, see themselves with the true potential that they have and that they can accomplish anything.
Find passion, go after it, love what you're doing, and surround yourself with really amazing people.